Hi guys, tara po, kain tayo. As usual, yung ulam natin ngayong araw guys ay pritong itlog at saka java rice, sinangag. Tapos nilagyan ko siya ng toppings na fried garlic. So tara po, sabayan nyo ako kumain guys. Kakamay tayo guys. Egg. Tapos, ganun. Sarap, daming fried garlic. Tara po, first bite. Sarap. Sarap guys, maraming bawang. Second bite. Sarap talaga ng itlog. Third bite. Sarap. Fourth bite. The best. Big bite. Sarap. So, ano lang guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.